Okay, good evening everyone, and today video I'm going to show you how you can use the Amazfit T Rex to remote your iPhone camera. As you can see now, I captured the image from this T Rex 2. Just press on it and the camera will take shot. Okay, you can choose the front camera here, back camera. Okay, and to do that you need to connect your T Rex 2 to your iPhone first with this Zap app. Okay, after you already connect with your iPhone with the Zap app, first of all just press the back button and scroll all the way down until you can see the words more, and after that you need to find the camera remote here. Okay, and now just turn on your iPhone's camera, and now you can remote it. Okay, so that's it. That is all for today's video of how you can remote your phone camera from this Amazfit T Rex 2. And now thanks for your time watching this short video, and I hope to see you again in the next video. Bye bye and have a nice day.